The item number 11 of daily listener. In this case, I am led by senior counsel Mr. A.M. Boraman. I beg to pay for adjournment for 2 weeks.
Other side has been informed.
Yes, madam.
On a prayer made on behalf of 3 A.M. Bora Learned Senior Counsel for the appellant. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks.
May it please your lordship. That will mention item 13, my lord. In this matter, I was appointed as the amicus long back, my lord,
Hmm.
in 2022, my lord.
For the
But my-
informant.
For the informant, but my name did not show, so I could not appear earlier, my lord. In this matter, paper book has already been prepared, but I have to receive a copy.
You have not got the paper book?
No, my lord. And secondly, my lord, as per last order, Honorable Court directed the DLSA to make a compensation part, my lord, 57A. So I have inquired from them, my lord. The case has been registered and that compensation case will be finalized on.
That's a
4/11.
different aspect. That's a different aspect. We'll hear the
I
appeal.
would like to inform the court, my
Okay.
lord.
No, on the next occasion, you give
Right.
it. Okay. Ms. M. Burman, Learned Legal Aid Counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 has informed that that copy of the paper book has not been furnished to her. Full stop. Let copy of the paper book be furnished to her and the matter be listed for hearing after 2 weeks.
Lordship, I am for the appellant.
Sri U. Chaudhary, Learned Legal Aid Counsel
Aid
is
Counsel.
present for the appellant.
Obliged,
Obliged.
Lord. May it please, Lord.
You have got PB, paper book?
Lordship, I have received the paper.
Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 of today's daily list. Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing for Miss S. Sharma Hazarika.
Hmm.
He's currently unwell, my lord. So can this matter be taken up after 3 weeks, my lord?
She is appearing as what? Amicus?
As legal aid counsel
Legal Aid Counsel.
on her behalf.
Six you are there.
Yes, Lordship.
The connected
But,
methods.
Connected with.
We'll have it after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord. Currently unwell.
3 weeks.
A little bit short, Lordship.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Miss S. Sharma Hazarika, Learned Legal Aid Counsel, who is stated to be unwell. Full stop. List after 2 weeks. Along with and list after 2 weeks, same order.
Deeply aware.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
And the connected criminal appeal 92/2023 may be listed together.
May I please, your I beg to mention item number 12, my lord.
Yes.
Will be adjourned for a week, my lord.
19 matter
Yes, my lord.
on the prayer of Sri Bora. You are not there
No, my lord.
on the prayer of Miss Sri Bora, Learned Counsel for the appellant. List after 2 weeks.
Right.
Other side informed.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm?
Obliged.
Item 12. Yes.
What if I beg to mention a criminal appeal for listing on Friday, my
Fresh
lordship?
matter.
Fresh matter.
Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lord? Lordship, I will mention for seeking adjournment, Lord, with the consent of the other
Item
side,
number?
Lord. Item number 7, Lord.
Yes. 7 is for orders. Why are we seeking time?
Lordship, today come up for consideration of bail and suspension sentence, Lordship.
Okay.
So,
On behalf of the appellant,
Lordship.
when do you want?
Lordship, next week, any date, Lord.
On a prayer made on behalf of the appellant. List after 2 weeks.
DPL, Lord.
Yes.
Item 1. Item 1.
Mr. Das, Legal Aid Counsel. Where is Mr. Manish Kumar Das? Madam Bhuya, Manish Kumar Das. Manish Kumar Das. Legal Aid Council. लिखो. None appears for the appellant on call. Full stop. Even on the last occasion, time was sought for on behalf of the applicant, appellant. Appellant, ऊपर में भी applicant, appellant, applicant, application में लिखना. This is an application. Oh, no, appellant, appellant. But delay combination. Delay has been condoned, madam. No.
No, Lord. We don't.
How is the criminal appeal numbered then?
The Lordship condone, maybe because Lordship, we don't have the file, Lordship.
No, I was saying fine.
Delay condone হয়েছে স্যার 8289
জানো না এটা নোটটা আছে দিলে আছে কন্ডন হয়েছে
Service is complete.
disposed of.
is allowed okay applicant में मतलब appellant लिखना the delay in preferring the appeal has been condoned by the order dated 7/8/2024 passed in I criminal 1712024. Para. Admit the appeal. Call for the records.
It's a box, I think.
Boxer. Yes, Madam for
Lordship,
Begum additional PP for number 1, or 2 Poxol, List after 6/6 along with service, report on service as well as LCR.
Order for notice is notice to be another.
Your
Number 2, this one number 2.
no, I could put here through the ideal put the
Order to host.
which no, I just put you. Orders.
My lords, delay was condoned in this matter on the last day. Comes up for admission for the first time. My lords,
Under what?
this is an appeal against conviction, my lords.
Under 302.
Yes, my lords, light imprisonment. If I may take one moment, my lords, and my lords will come to.
Admit, what is there?
Yes, my lords, there's one small thing regarding the paper book, my lord. The co-accused persons, my lords, have been acquitted in a criminal appeal by this honorable court, my lords, 2 criminal appeals. Therefore, my lords, the same paper books can be used, my lords, in this matter. That is at page 45.
Okay. Heard.
Mr. A. Gautam.
A. Gautam, learned counsel for the appellant, who has informed that the delay
7, you 7.
in preferring the appeal has been condoned
Other way.
in IA number 12, sir. देख लीजिए, हाँ? Admit this appeal. Call for the records.
325.
Ms. A. Begum, for sole respondent. Sri Gautam, the learned counsel for the appellant, has submitted that there were 2 analogous appeals, being criminal appeal number
196 of 2017 and
196 of 2017 and
204 of 2007.
2004, 2007, which have been disposed of. And in those appeals, paper book was prepared, full stop. List along with the records of those appeals which would contain the paper book.
Hello.
After 6/6. Matter appeal. Oh, that
Lordship, that family
matter
court matter, Lordship.
will be a revision.
Lordship, it will be a revision. Family Courts Act 19, Lordship.
Third, Ms. R.
92.
Chaudhary, learned counsel, who has
Family court sent.
on the outset submitted that though the present challenge has been made by way of an appeal, comma, the challenge is to be made in the form of a revision.
Revision.
Full stop. Para. Considered the same submission. And in this connection, she has referred to section 19,
2.
within bracket 2 of the Family Courts Act. Full stop. Para. Upon perusal of the same, comma, let the appeal be registered and renumbered as a revision and thereafter be listed before the appropriate bench.
It's a criminal revision, Lordship. And if your Lordship permit, I can amend the cause title.
The learned counsel is permitted to file amended cost title. Whereafter the revision may be listed.
Deeply obliged. Item 3.
May I please your lordship? My lord, the appeal has already been admitted and paper book is also ready, my. The matter has come for my lord, the suspension of execution.
You will hear the appeal,
My lord,
22 matter.
my lord.
Okay, madam,
My lord, paper book we have received, my lord.
heard. Sri B. M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Ms. B. Chaudhary, learned APP, Assam. Para. It appears that the paper book has been prepared and this court has been informed that copies of the same have been furnished to the learned counsel. Full stop. Para. List for hearing when?
Anytime, my lord, as per convenience of the court. my lord.
List for hearing in the third week of November.
I'm obliged, your lordship.
My name may be correct.
He'll listen.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, as per the office note 2110, it's showing the service report regarding respondent number 2 is not available.
Office note dated
2110-2024. lordship.
এটা কি কথা হলো? IOQ এর কথা হলো? Yes, madam, IO has not sent the report.
Lordship.
IO of the concerned police station has not sent the report. Kokrajhar, I think. Please look into it.
Lordship,
It will be Gosaigaon police station.
1 week time will be granted and.
Office note dated 3/10/2024 as well as 21/10/2024 reflect that service report is yet to be received from the officer in charge of the Gosaigaon.
Gosaigaon, lordship.
Gosaigaon of the concerned PS within bracket Gosaigaon. Full stop. Para. Let instructions be taken in this regard by Ms. B. Bhuyan, learned APP. Full stop. List after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Please instruct them to send the report.
Lordship.
Eight. Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary. A. Ahmed. Yes.
Lordship, last occasion, Lordship, they have taken time to file their objections
In the IA.
in the ILO.
Lordship, learned friend J.S. Jahan was there, Lordship. He is out of.
Okay, we'll give some more time.
Lordship.
On the prayer made on behalf of Ms. S. Jahan, learned APP, 2 weeks further time is granted to file objection.
Lordship.
Yes, yeah, okay.
May it please, your
Yes.
Lordship. This is an interlocutory application for the transfer of the applicant from Central Jail Guwahati to District Jail of Darang, Lordship, who is temporarily sent to from Darang to the Central Jail Guwahati for medical treatment, Lordship. In the meantime, he will be transferred on 16th of October, Lordship. I want to praise this application.
You don't want to press.
Want to praise.
Okay, madam.
Last date, Lordship, 410, there was a Lawazima report was called for, Lord.
On
Whether-
the IA, it has come for the first time, IA. You take instructions on this.
Lordship, already notice served to the informant, Lordship.
No, that is on the appeal. He has filed an IA for his transfer.
I for transfer, Lordship.
Okay,
9th.
let us issue notice on this. Where do you want to go to Darang, back to Darang?
His hometown there, Lordship. The applicant family wants to. Earlier there, he was only there, Lordship.
Key provision is provided.
So, but, address, address.
No, no, it will go-
Lordship, as per instruction, he has already transferred to the Darang, Lordship, on 16th of October, Lordship.
Then,
After filing of this application.
then you don't need to press. So you said you are pressing. You are not pressing.
Not pressing, Lordship.
Not pressing.
Yes,
Okay,
Lordship.
not press. We asked you, you said pressing. Okay.
Already.
What is your name?
A.K. Kanu, Lordship.
Harshri A.K. Khan, learned
A.K.
A.K.
Kanu.
Kanu, learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application had prayed for transfer of the applicant appellant from the Central Jail, Guwahati to the District Jail, Darang. Full stop. It has been submitted that the applicant appellant was transferred to the Central Jail for his treatment and the treatment is over, full stop. The learned counsel has however informed that though this application was filed on 26 September 2024, in the meantime, the appellant has been transferred back to Darang and therefore he would not like to press this application. Full stop. Also heard Miss A. Begum, learned APP, Assam, Para. In view of the aforesaid development, there is no requirement to pass any further orders in this application and the same stands closed.
Obliged.
I.
Yes, Lordship, in this case, I am to file additional affidavit, Lordship. File the affidavit is dead
I for what?
for condonation of delay, Lordship.
You have filed objection?
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship,
Lordship. During,
the affidavit is ready, Lordship. And I am.
Are you objecting?
yes, Lordship, I am
Okay,
objecting
okay,
and
let him
during
file the addition.
Yes.
some hearing, Lordship, he sought for some permission for
Okay.
filing additional
Okay,
affidavit,
heard.
Lordship.
3 AMS.
A fixed date may be given. In the lower court, he is saying that in high court, the case is pending, so he's not paying any money, Lordship.
Lordship, what
I
happened,
have
Lordship?
obtained the certified.
Under, it's for maintenance.
Yes, Lordship, DBA.
Review Act.
Lord.
There is no stay order.
Yes,
No,
Lordship, nothing is
Lordship,
there.
but High Court's order, Lordship may kindly see that is on behalf of the second party, one Rahul Roy advocate has filed a petition number so stating that the second party being aggrieved by the order and judgment passed by this Honorable High Court preferred an appeal before the Honorable Guwahati High Court by matrimonial appeal number so along with case IA number so. In the light of the petition number so, the second party is directed to produce the copy of order, if any, passed by the Honorable Guwahati High Court on the next date fixed so for production of copy of order of Honorable High Court payment. And since 2023 is not paying. 20,000 was allowed.
You take action
Yes,
steps in accordance with law if he's not paying.
Lordship, every date the court is directing him last chance for payment, and distress warrant was also issued that returned unsubscribed.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner is posted at Kashmir Court. And
No, those are not, those
Lordship.
are not relevant for the purpose.
Lordship,
If you want your matter to be adjudicated, first you comply with the order,
your Lordship,
or you at least pray for order of interim relief from us. Your your appeal is barred by time, that is yet to be condoned, and you are not complying. Why should you give an audience?
Lordship,
We will not give you an audience. We'll dismiss your appeal.
Lordship, what I mean, I am against the order passed by the.
Mr. Mazumdar,
There
you
is
come
two
to us
cases in
for-
there, Lord.
First, we'll have to see your conduct.
Yes.
Your appeal is time barred. It's not an appeal in accordance with law unless the delay is condoned. And in the meantime, you refuse to comply with the order of the court. This cannot go on forever. You comply, then otherwise we'll dismiss this appeal. Only on that ground. We'll allow time subject to the condition that you pay the amount in question. How much is the amount?
20,000 per month.
And pending since?
Pending says Lordship 22/12/2023, he paid 15,000.
You are in the defense force
Lordship.
and you are not paying.
Lordship, two cases are there. One DB case, maintenance was allowed, he is paying Lordship. And here is the 125 case, Lordship, the maintenance. Two cases are there, Lordship.
No, this before us is what?
Before I raise maintenance under section 125, Lordship.
Madam says it's DV Act.
No, Lordship. DB Act, no, it is,
Combination, he has written the DB Act.
no, Lordship. In appeal, kindly see, Lordship. And
Are you paying any maintenance otherwise?
in DB Act, the case is pending and
Are you
the
paying?
maintenance allowance is paying, Lordship.
How much?
Lordship, the maintenance allowance is Lordship 2,500, Lordship,
is
interim maintenance,
2,500
Lordship.
only.
Lordship, interim maintenance, this is allowed, Lordship. And suppressing this pendency of the DB case, Lordship, they filed maintenance case. And in maintenance case, Lordship, the order was passed ex parte, Lordship. And against this order, I am before your Lordship, Lord. And
2,500 and 20,000 vast difference.
Lordship,
What is the purpose of Rajnesh versus Neha? Only to make court aware that what are the cases pending?
only last chance, Lordship, he will come in the next month,
Lordship,
Lordship.
we give him one chance, and next date.
Next
Lordship,
month,
we hear
Lordship,
the
he will
conduct
come,
of
Lordship,
application.
because of Lordship, last
Lordship, we
election,
fix the
Lordship, he
date.
could not get
Sri
Thank you for
chance, Lordship.
objecting to that.
3AMS, I heard 3AMS Mazumdar, learned counsel for the applicant. Full stop. Also heard Miss R. Chaudhary,
By
learned
next
counsel
Monday, he can file.
for the opposite party who has filed objection. Full stop. Sri Mazumdar, the learned counsel, has submitted that the additional affidavit for which he had taken, he was granted time on the last occasion, is almost ready and would be filed. Full stop. He has also informed that his client is presently posted at
Kashmir, Lord.
Jammu and Kashmir and would be coming for filing the same shortly. Full stop.
Lord.
Para. Ms. Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the opposite party, has however informed that on the pretext of the present case before this court, the applicant appellant has not paid the maintenance amount. Full stop. The aforesaid submission would be considered on the next date. Para. List on. Yes. Tell us.
Lordship, last week of November, kindly, Lordship, he will come, Lord.
Today is what?
Since 21,
23rd.
he has taken time.
We'll have it on 18th of November, Monday. 18th.
November or October? November. Lordship.
November. This is October 23rd.
November.
18th.
Okay.
For giving sufficient time to you.
Lord. Obliged.
He's coming on last week of October.
Lordship, he will coming in the second, last week of the November, Lordship.
November 18th, not wait till the last week, 18 November.
Okay.
As a last chance.
Obliged.
Oh, Lord.
I didn't want to come over to this.
May I please, your lordship, my lord. My lord, on last occasion, my lord, since the last page of my petition was missing, which I served to them,
I have taken the instruction, Lord.
otherwise I fulfill all the criteria, my lord.
Well, department has know about this paper, my lord. They have the information regarding this, my lord. This report given after verifying the field verification of the consent placement by the 6th event date.
You have received the instructions.
My lord, verbally they have informed me that it's genuine.
Get the written instructions, we'll dispose it on the basis of the instructions.
They have informed me that terrorist document which they have provided, my lord, on the basis of this.
But she will kindly peruse the page,
Accordingly,
my lord.
Where is the Paradise comment?
terrorist document on the basis of that I have filed our affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit filed.
Yes,
So you have filed the affidavit, okay.
My lord,
It can be disposed of.
my lord.
Yes, so how can it be disposed of? Tell us.
my lord, regarding the, my lord, all the criteria, my lord, only then dispute was
What is
there.
the issue?
The-
What is the issue? What is the
You
issue
know,
now?
the list was forwarded by the, my lord, district scrutiny committee before the joint scrutiny committee of
You
state
were head teachers and teachers.
head teacher and assistant teacher of the school, my lord.
Practitioners. Teachers. And assistant teachers. Of which school?
School is Haji Fazal Ali ME Madrasa at Nogam,
Besamari.
Hesamari.
Besamari. Haji Fadar. Okay, what happened thereafter? Madrasa.
ME Madrasa.
It was a madrasa at that time. Now,
Now it is also Madrasa, ME Madrasa. The list was forwarded by the
but
district. school.
the madrasa all have been converted, Mr. Bora. This is still functioning.
My lord, no, this is not senior madrasa, my lord, this is, my lord, lower primary, upper primary ME school. ME Madrasa.
Functioning.
Functioning.
Mr. Bora.
My lord.
Okay. Thereafter,
Thereafter, my lord, the lordship will kindly have a look at page 45, my lord, the district scrutiny committee.
Hmm.
They had forwarded the list
for
of
provincialization.
provincialization.
District,
Nogam, my lord,
district scrutiny committee.
district scrutiny committee. my lord.
Forwarded the school for provincialization.
For
Along with
provincial-
the staff.
Along with the staff. my lord.
Yes, then,
And because of the, my lord, one allegation leveled by the Hindi teacher of the same school, my lord.
hmm,
The allegation was that the school is not having sufficient land, my lord. And that
of
has
the
been
same school,
of the same school, my lord.
because his name was not included.
Is the name not included. And that has been, my lord, clarified by the inspection report submitted by the, my lord, district elementary officer, my lord, Noga.
Yes,
My lord will kindly have a look at the last page of my writ petition, my lord, page 87, my lord. That part has been clarified, my lord.
8-7.
Page 89, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. Last page. And the column number 11, my lord, additional information,
Just a minute. Please.
my lord.
89, yes.
89. Column number 7 speaks about the land of the school, my lord.
Hmm.
Total 3 bighas in 2 plots.
Hmm.
So and so and so and so. Bigha, dag number and button number so and so.
Hmm.
And in column number 11, my lord, additional information. I, the undersigned, visited Besamari Haji Fazal Ali Madrasa under Batodrava Education Block in Nogam district on the request of the local public and school teachers. The problem of the school is not yet solved due to complaint of one Hindi teacher. The complaint is not genuine. There is sufficient land for the school in the 2 plots as mentioned above. The other
Then you can
conditions.
go ahead.
Yes,
My lord, here only thing is that, my lord, before my lord, provincialization, my lord, PLC has recommended their name, my lord, only because of complaint, my lord, their name.
You go ahead then.
Yes.
Heard. Sri Zaid Hamad, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri P. Bora, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department, full stop. Education Department, who has also filed the affidavit in opposition on 22/8/2024. Full stop. Para. Considering the subject matter and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Full stop. The petitioners, the petitioners who are 3 in numbers, are the head teacher and assistant teachers of the Besamari Haji Fazar Ali ME Madrasa, Nagaon. Full stop. As per it has been contended that the names of the petitioners were captured in the DICE code, DISC code for the year 2009-10, having code number 0101017. Full stop. Following the provisions of the Assam Act 2017 Sailaba, a move for provincialization of the school along with the petitioners was made, and accordingly, the district scrutiny committee had forwarded the proposal for such provincialization. Full stop. The aspect of provincialization was, however, put to a halt on a complaint lodged by one Hindi teacher of the same school by stating that the land was not sufficient. Full stop. Para. Sri Hamad, the learned counsel, has submitted that the said complaint was apparently frivolous, inasmuch as it was lodged by a disgruntled teacher of the same school, whose name was not amongst those captured by the DIAS code. Full stop. He has also drawn the attention of this court to the inspection report dated 2/11/2022, furnished by the District Elementary Education Officer, Nagaon, whereby the complaint has been held to be not genuine. Para. Sri Bora, the learned standing counsel, by referring to the affidavit in opposition and also to further instructions received, has submitted that apart from the complaint, there was no other legal impediment for consideration of the case of the petitioners. Full stop. Para. On perusal, on hearing the learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the materials on record, more particularly the inspection report dated 2/11/2022 of the District Elementary Education Officer, it transpires that the impediment in the process of provincialization was in the form of a complaint, which has been stated to be not genuine. Full stop. In view of the above, this court directs that the cases of the petitioners for provincialization as per the Act of 2017 be carried forward and the same be brought to a logical conclusion. Full stop. Since the matter has been pending since long, the process be completed in an expeditious manner and preferably within a period of 6 months from today.
Deeply obliged.
For three, who is three?
Mission Director.
Mission Director's SSA. Okay, P Naik, huh? Is present for.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Amar. Morning. My lord, in this matter, learned senior advocate is appearing now. Today, due to his health condition, I am praying for adjournment of it.
Representation of people fixed. Yes, what do you say?
If not well, then might be we can, I can
No,
argue.
what we were contemplating, because yesterday, Mr. Nayak has informed that a review has been filed. Along with the review we have filed, we have seen that there is an application
For extension.
extension of time. Without even going to the aspect of review, without expressing any opinion at this time, if you are not averse to the application, see, ultimately we will have to follow 86.6 and 86.7
My lord,
day to day as well as
On-
6 months.
my lord,
How far we'll be able to do it, that's a different
this
matter.
is directory, that word sale appearing in order A. Because I cannot be so technical to say that 30 is 30, 90 is 90.
So in the interest
Only
of
may I
justice.
point out one
yes,
thing? In fact, I have no objection to he getting time because I know what is this. It should not be read as 10. It should be may extend it. They have filed an application for extension of time. The prayer they have made is 3. First prayer is that they did not get. They did not get the.
No, Mr. Pathak, if you are addressing on the application, then we'll like to hear Mr. Sekia first.
My lord.
Because it is his application. But
Because
what
I
we
have
are-
some-
what we're trying to get from you, that if you're not too averse to the application, then we can dispose of and give them time, matter ends there. Without going into the aspect of revision and then, because see, every passing day, prejudice will be caused to them.
My lord.
Tomorrow, if we
Only thing then-
foreclose them from filing WS, matter will be
My lord.
difficult.
Only thing then, since their objection was, which was raised after 4 days of hearing appearance, then copy to them. I এখন নহয়, election petition. They say on the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, they did not say that there was a page missing. My lord, with your lordship's permission, may I hand over a entire election copy today itself in the.
Let Mr. Sekia come on Monday.
He doesn't want to
No,
receive.
you take this, we are allowing your petition.
No, Lordship will hear that petition on Monday, Lord.
We are allowing it.
Allowing.
So let him come, Lord.
We are allowing it, Mr. Nayak.
No, but that is what I am submitting, Lord. Let him come and make submission, Lord. If one review petition or pending there, Lord.
Then in
We are
this,
granting you the relief, Mr. Nayak.
No, I am not.
You are one of the council.
Lordship.
If we are taking an adverse view, we hear your senior.
Lordship.
You are not taking an adverse view.
I'm only praying, Lordship, another petition application we are preparing, Lordship.
For?
That has some, if that petition will have some ramification on the application already filed, Lordship. So,
See,
Lordship.
Mr. Nayak, let us be
I'm
very
only
clear.
praying, Lordship.
Every passing day will cause prejudice to you.
Yes,
The view today, we are having a lenient view to extend time. We cannot have it tomorrow. We are telling it making it very clear.
Lordship, he being the.
Because we will go by 86.6, 86.7,
Yes.
nothing more.
The 86, nothing else.
Day to day hearing,
But
6
I'm
months.
only
that is
praying,
their
Lordship.
prayer that I should be allowed.
And
to
still
do
we
it
are
properly.
saying that since we have seen that apart from the review, you also have an application, fresh application, which you had in fact suggested to a senior. That you have a fresh application, we'll consider. Matter ends there.
Copy to lower the problem.
No,
Copy to
here,
lower.
Lordship, two prayers were there, 2 objections were there, that 4 pages are missing, page 11, 16, 21, and 22. some other objections were also there, Lordship. I'm only saying Lordship will hear this matter on Monday, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, whatever decision comes on Monday, Lordship. will-
I did not want to be harsh on facts. I said that whatever is your prayer, I am handing over and you take this petition and petition.
Okay,
Kerala.
Monday.
Monday.
My lord, Monday or Friday, let it be Friday, my lord, because he told me in the morning that it can be Friday also.
Friday or Monday.
Friday or Monday, can it
Let it be
be
on Monday.
Monday, right?
Monday. Oh. Third speech. KP Patra Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Assisted by Sir Emrat. Sri P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1, has however sought time on behalf of Sri D. Sekhar, Learned Senior Counsel, who is leading him. Full stop. He has informed this court that a review petition has been filed, being review petition 183.
Yes.
183 of 2024 regarding the order dated 39/2024 passed by this court in IA 3091 of 2024. So he has also informed that IA Civil 3222 of 2024 has been filed, praying for extension of time for filing written statement and also for condemnation of delay in such filing. Full stop. Sarah? On request, list on Monday.
Okay.